Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is at the right side. You need to click that, and next to that there is a bell icon as well. You need to click that, and so that whenever I posted a new video you will get notified and you can watch my videos at the same time. So let's just talk about today's video now. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove your makeup. So right now I'm wearing a waterproof makeup, so I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup. So for removing my makeup I use these wipes. Actually this is the last packet. This is from London. My mom got it for me from London. This is the deep cleansing facial wipes, and it's not necessary that you have to use this wipes or no. And let me tell you, you can use the Cara wipes. They are so damn good. You can use that as well, and or you can use the micellar water or any makeup remover, but yes, micellar water is the best one for makeup removing. Okay, because there is no need to wash off your face once you're done with this. Yes, it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my half of my face with these wipes and half of my face with micellar water. With this you will get to know that micellar water is the best or any facial wipes are best. So you would get to know about that. So I'm going to, on my right side I'm going to use this micellar water, and on my left side I'm going to use this facial wipe. So let's just see which one will win. So guys, as you can see, this side of makeup is removed, and actually I am not feeling any oiliness or anything that there is a need to wash off my face. No, I cannot feel of that. It feels like fresh, and you can see half of the makeup is removed from here, and mascara is also removed. My eyelashes are like this, so mascara is already removed now, and now I'm going to use this facial wipes, and you can see this. Just one part and you can remove it. You can remove the other side as well with this, but I have to remove it with this, so I'm going to use this wipe. Okay, so this is the wipe. Okay, I'm going to remove it now. This side I feel a little patchy here, and here I feel like so soft, but yeah, it removed the makeup very well. As you can see, it removed it very well. This side with this and this side with this. And now after I'm done with this, what I preferably do, I just simply apply any aloe vera gel. Like I'm applying this Nature's aloe vera gel. I have this Patanjali aloe vera gel in the Kesar Chandan as well, but now I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my finger. I'm taking it on my hand. I just wash off my face, so I'll be back in a minute. So I'm back. I washed off my face, and let me tell you one more thing, guys. You have to have a separate towel for your face. Whatever the towel you use on your body or anyone else uses it, don't use that same towel. Like use it 3 days and give it to a wash, or wash yourself and just pat it like this. And you're all set. This is what I do, and I don't like to wash off my face with face washes so much. I prefer to go it in like that desi way, so I do that. I prefer that. And Then after, what I do, I have this face toner. You can use any face toner, whatever you have, or you can use, if you don't have any face toner, you can go with the gulab jal. So I'm just going to sprinkle it on my face. And as you all know, I'm in love with the lip balms, especially this one from Just Herbs. I'm going to apply this one. Anytime I can apply this one. Like, I love this one. I love applying lip balm, especially this one. I loved it. So this is it, guys. This is what I do when I remove my makeup. But yes, the necessary part is to remove your makeup with the wipes or micellar water or any makeup remover. Or the necessary part is these one. You can use either rose water or any face toner, whatever you like, you can go with that. Lip balm is also, if you love to hydrate your lips, you can go with that. So it's all depend upon you. But yes, the necessary part is these all. Whatever you want to apply, whatever you feel good with, you can go with that. But let me tell you what I prefer is, my recommendation is to use the micellar water, so that there is no need to wash off your face after using this one. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. This is it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.